and welcome back to Miss English Podcast, where learning English is easy, real, and super fun.
Hey there, everyone. I'm Ethan, and I'm so happy to be here today.
And I'm Chloe. It's great to see you all again. Ethan, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great, Chloe, full of energy and good vibes. How about you?
Hey, I'm wonderful, thank you. I had my coffee, I'm awake, and I'm ready to have fun.
Perfect combo. Coffee and fun. That's how every good day starts.
Absolutely. But before we start, everyone, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click that like button, and share this video with your friends.
Yes, share it with everyone. Your friends, your classmates, your teacher, even your neighbor's cat.
Oh, yes, the cat might learn English too. And please leave us a comment.
We really love reading your comments. They make us so happy.
Okay, Ethan. Today we have a super fun topic.
Ooh, I love fun topics. What's it about?
Today we're talking about fun itself. What do you do for fun?
Happy. Ah, great question. I do many things for fun. Fun is important in life, right?
Oh, yes, we all need fun every single day. So tell us, Ethan, what do you like to do for fun?
Let me think. I love listening to music. Music makes me happy and relaxed.
Oh, I love music too. What kind of music do you like?
I like rock and pop music. They make me feel alive. How about you, Chloe?
I like pop and jazz. Jazz is so relaxing, especially in the evening.
Yes, jazz is beautiful. Do you play any instruments?
Nope, I don't play, but I listen to music every single day. You?
I play a little guitar. Not very well, but enough to have fun.
That's awesome. Playing guitar is such a cool hobby.
Yeah, I make mistakes all the time, but who cares? The important thing is to have fun, right?
Successful! Exactly. It's all about enjoying yourself.
I also like reading books. Reading is relaxing for me.
Oh, me too. What kind of books do you like?
I like adventure books and mystery books, they're so exciting.
That sounds great. I like romance books and cooking books.
Cooking books? That's interesting.
Yes, I love cooking. Cooking is one of my favorite hobbies.
So cooking is fun for you.
Yes, very fun. I try new recipes every week.
Wow, that's awesome. Do you cook for your family?
Yes, for my husband and my kids. They love trying new food.
Well, yes. That's great. I like cooking too, but I'm not very good at it.
Oh, that's okay. You can learn. Cooking gets easier with practice.
Maybe I should cook more often then.
Yes, you should. It's really fun and tasty. I also love watching movies.
Oh, me too. What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy movies. They make me laugh so much.
Me too. Laughter is good for the soul.
Yes, and sometimes I like action movies too.
Action movies are awesome. Do you watch them at home or in the cinema?
Usually at home with my family. It's cozy.
It's same here. At home is more comfortable and you can eat popcorn.
Oh, yes. Popcorn is the best part.
I love popcorn, especially sweet popcorn.
I like salty popcorn. It's perfect for movie night.
Chloe, do you like sports?
Yes, I do. I like walking and swimming.
That's great. Walking is super healthy.
I walk every morning in the park. It makes me feel fresh and happy.
That's amazing, Chloe. I like soccer. It's my favorite sport.
Ah! Oh, soccer. Do you play with your friends?
Yes, every Saturday. We laugh, run, and have a great time.
That sounds like so much fun. Exercise is not just healthy, it's fun too.
Exactly. It's good for your body and your mind.
Ethan, do you like traveling?
Oh, yes. Traveling is one of my favorite things to do.
Me too. Where do you like to go?
I love going to the beach. The the sound of waves, the sun, the ocean. It's beautiful.
Oh, the beach is amazing. I love watching the sunset there.
Sunsets are magical.
Do you like swimming in the ocean?
Of course, it's so much fun. I also like walking on the sand.
That sounds perfect. I like going to the mountains too. So peaceful and quiet.
I want to try hiking someday.
You should. It's great exercise and the air is fresh.
So, Chloe, do you have any hobbies at home?
Yes, I love painting. It's very relaxing.
Wow, that's awesome. What do you paint?
I paint flowers, landscapes, sometimes animals.
That sounds beautiful. I'd love to see your art one day.
Maybe one day. What about you, Ethan?
I love taking photos. Photography is fun and creative.
What do you like taking photos of?
Nature, trees, birds, sunsets, little things people often miss.
That's beautiful. Photography helps you see the world differently.
Exactly. It makes walks more interesting. And
So, Ethan, what activities can our listeners try for fun?
listening to music is an easy one. Music makes everyone happy.
Yes, and walking. Walking is free and relaxing.
True. You can walk in the park with friends or family.
And reading. Visit a library and borrow a book.
Or try cooking. Start with something simple, like pasta.
Yes, pasta is easy and delicious.
And don't forget movies. Movie night at home with popcorn is the best.
Yes, popcorn, drinks, and good company. Perfect fun night.
Some people say they don't have time for fun. What do you think, Chloe?
That's sad. Everyone needs time for fun. Even 15 minutes a day helps.
Yes, you can listen to one song, read a few pages, or just relax.
Exactly. Small moments of joy matter.
Fun makes us happier and healthier.
Yes, life is better with fun.
So, dear listeners, what do you do for fun?
Tell us in the comments. We really want to know.
Do you like music, cooking, sports, or something totally different?
Share your fun ideas with us. Maybe we'll try them too.
Yes, we can all learn from each other.
Remember, trying new things is exciting. Don't be afraid.
You might discover a new hobby, or even a new passion.
Yes, like me with painting or Ethan with his guitar.
Still learning, but having fun.
That's what matters most.
Okay, friends, time to wrap up today's episode.
But before you go, please subscribe to Ms. English Podcast.
Yes, click that like button, share this video, and tell your friends to join our English family.
Thank you so much for listening. We hope you enjoyed today's fun talk.
Remember, make time for fun every day.
Life is brighter when you enjoy it.
Take care, everyone.
See you next time.
Bye.